The outlook for the 2026 housing market is shifting in a way Americans haven't seen in years. After a long stretch defined by soaring prices, limited inventory, and mortgage rates that kept millions of buyers on the sidelines, coming year is expected to bring a noticeable cooling and a gradual return toward balance, according to economists and new projections from multiple housing reports. Mortgage rates are finally stabilizing and could settle near the low 6% range by 2026. That stabilization alone opens the door for more qualified buyers who have been waiting for affordability to improve. At the national level, home prices are projected to rise only modestly, with estimates pointing to roughly a 2% increase. But when inflation is factored in, real home prices may actually decline slightly. This means that, for the first time in several years, buyers could see a market where their purchasing power does not erode month after month. Inventory is also expected to climb, easing the pressure that created bidding wars and record high sale prices seen earlier in the decade. More homes on the market combined with more stable borrowing costs form the foundation of what analysts describe as a more predictable, steady environment. Regionally, the picture is mixed. Some markets, especially in states that experienced rapid pandemic-era booms, are now poised for price pullbacks. Florida is one of the most talked-about examples, with forecasts showing potential price declines of around 2% across several metros. Similar softening is expected in a total of more than 20 cities nationwide, signaling that overheated markets are finally cooling as demand normalizes and supply catches up. These local corrections do not indicate a crash, but rather a reset toward sustainable valuations. Despite these dips, overall housing activity is set to improve. Existing home sales are forecast to rise as rate relief brings hesitant buyers back into the market. Analysts expect more movement, more listings, and more successful closings than in the past 2 years. For sellers, it will require realistic pricing. For buyers, it could be the first real opportunity in a while to enter the market without intense competitive pressure. As 2026 approaches, the housing market appears ready to shift from volatility toward stability, marking a new phase for real estate across the country.